Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Angela here, what it do? And today you guys, I have a really cool unboxing. This is my first one of these in like 20-25 years. So if you want to see what I got, then keep on watching. Okay. Alright you all, so while I unbox this, I'm going to tell y'all, a little bit about what's going on. So today is Saturday. On Monday, I had an endoscopy. And, if you watch my other channel, you know what I'm saying? Or even on this channel, you know a little bit of why. But I'll go into more details on my other channel. But I had my address is on that side, y'all. But I had an endoscopy and, they stick the camera and everything down your throat. So, if I was going to be hoarse or anything, y'all, it was only supposed to be for like a day or two. It's been, 6 days now? Y'all, my voice is on fire. My throat, y'all, is on fire. Do you hear me? So I have to call them back because something is not right. I don't know if they were too rough on me or what, y'all, but it is a struggle to talk. But anyway, we got to get through this, all right? So, to the video, y'all. I have been watching Deluxe. Deluxe, she's the reason for this, okay? I know Determined to Be, Mono's Beauty, Dazzle Me Girl, all of them have this brand, but like I said, I haven't had one of these, y'all, since high school, middle school, high school, long time, long time, y'all. So I went and got me a DOONEY bag, y'all. Oh my god. Now let me tell y'all about this bag while I take it. So this is the bag I got, y'all. Of course, it is in purple lilac. This is called light mauve, I think. Yeah, light mauve. This is it's a drawstring. I think it's SAFFIANO. Girl, drawstring. So while I unpack this, let me tell y'all about this bag. Make sure my stuff ain't here. Y'all, I have been looking at this bag and I was just like, I'm not gonna get it, I'm not gonna get it. I went on ahead and ordered it, y'all. It was full price. It was $298. Y'all, the next day it went on sale, half off. I was like, you have got to be kidding me. So I contacted them because I want the bag, right? And I was just like, the bag went on sale, can y'all just give me a price adjustment? They told me no. It's like, no, can't give you a price adjustment. I said, well, can I just cancel the order then? And they were just like, oh, no, it's shipped already. And then, like, right after that phone call, I got the confirmed shipping. I was like, okay, two can play that game. So I have another one of these that'll be here probably on Monday. So I'm showing y'all this one, but I'm finna return this and get my $300 and something back. And then when the other one comes on Monday that I paid, it was $149. I'll keep that one. So, but I'm just going to show y'all this because it's still early. This is going back to UPS today. Okay. So, anyway, look at this bag, y'all. Of course, y'all know, like I said, I had to get the purple one. And I love bucket bags, y'all. Look at this. Oh, my God. It's so pretty. Oh my goodness, look at this. Oh, it has feet on the bottom. It has gold hardware. I didn't get any matching accessories because I really didn't see any at the time. But I have since found a wallet to match this. But I have quite a few lavender wallets and things. So I really don't think I'm going to get it. Don't quote me, but I don't think I'm going to get it. But y'all, this is so pretty, y'all. I was trying to decide if I wanted this one or the Hattie, but this purple just spoke to my spirit, y'all. Like, oh my goodness, this is so pretty. Is this, yeah. Oh, it goes all the way. That goes all the way, my fingers all the way down here. This is just so cute, y'all. Oh my goodness. Let me see what's inside. Okay, here is the, I'm not going to unwrap this because like I said, this is getting ready to go back. But what color is this strap? I think it's mauve color as well. Okay, it has the, yeah. Can y'all see that? Yeah, it's the mauve color. That is just so cute. So, this is how it looks on the inside. It has a pocket here. And that's pretty deep. That's a pretty deep pocket right there. And it's trimmed in the lavender. Can you see? Okay, the pocket, and it's trimmed in lavender. It's blue and white stripe on the inside. Okay, and then on the other side, let me see. Okay. I need to go lay down. It's a pocket right here, and then there is a zip pocket. Okay. And there's a zip pocket right here, and it just has the authenticity card or whatever inside. Let's put that back. This is just, I love me a good bucket bag, y'all. This is so pretty. This is my first one, and I think that this is such a great choice. Then it has this hook right here so you can hook your keys and everything on this. Like, it's so pretty. Deluxe, sis, you done started something, girl. I don't think I've seen, I think it's only like, it's only a handful of videos on this bag, like with this color and everything. Yeah, this is so pretty. This is gorgeous. Like I said, the other one will be here on like Monday or something like that. So I will come back and do a what's in my bag on this bag. All right, y'all. So while we put everything back in here, I'm going to tell y'all about the other thing. So I was out minding my business, just in the streets. So I was out minding my business in the streets. I went to Target, really. That's why I was out there. Y'all know Targets are few and far in between for me. So, and there was a Bills, you know what I'm saying, out that way. So I remember that Miss Toya had did her video on her Barbie bag, and she was saying that that's where the bag came from. So I took a chance and went in there, and I saw that bag that she had. So everything is back fine the way that it was, and we're gonna pack this baby back up and send this back. Okay. So anyway, I'm sorry, y'all. If y'all just knew how bad I was sweating, like, y'all, I just genuinely don't feel good. I don't know if I got too much anesthesia. I don't know what it is. Anyway, I went to Bill's and I saw this bag and I took a picture of it. And I was just like, y'all, this is the bag, you know, that I found. And then afterwards, I was like, well, should I do a giveaway? When I said, should I do a giveaway, y'all, I was long gone. Like, long gone. I was on another side of town. So, the more I thought about it, and then I put up the poll. So, people was like, you know, yeah, and people chose this one. I also was at Ross, and I found a Juicy Couture set. Y'all, it's gone. It's gone. So, I went back today, this morning, and they had two. So I bought the two that they had, and I'm going to give this away to 2 people, okay? So, like, look, y'all, this is how it comes. It's a 4-piece set. You know, the big piece. It has this sparkly pink. Is this open? I be trying not to open y'all stuff. Nope, because it's zip tied at the top, so I can't even open it. But it has this pink sparkly pouch right here. Y'all, it's cute. It has like stars on it, different colors. There you go. You can see it like that. That's cute, y'all. Then it has this pink pouch right here. It says love, happiness, joy, all of that on it. And then you have this the bigger cosmetic case in the bag. Y'all can also carry that as a bag as well, separately. You can tie your little twilly on that. That'd be cute, y'all. That'll be cute. But like I said, as you see, I have 2 of these, and I'll be giving these away to 2 of you all. So what should we do for this giveaway? You know what? Let's just make it simple, y'all, because y'all know I don't feel good. So make this simple. Just leave a comment, okay? Leave a comment, and at the end of the comment, no, we're gonna make it different. I want you to leave a comment, but the first thing that you type in the comment, I want you to leave either a pink heart or a pink butterfly. Okay, so the very first character that's in your comment, it needs to be a pink heart or a pink butterfly. Okay, and that's how I will know that you want to be entered in this giveaway. I will let this go on until today is Saturday. By the time y'all see this, okay, I'll close the giveaway on Friday, and I'll pick another winner on Saturday. Does that make sense? Yeah. Okay. So this giveaway will go until Saturday, till next Friday, and I'll pick a winner on Saturday. All right, y'all. And I will just do like a post on my community page telling whoever the winners are. I think that sounds like a plan. Yeah. So, good luck to you all, ladies, whoever wins this. And y'all, is this not the cutest thing? Like, we can't forget about her. I love it. Thank you, D-Lux, sis, for turning me on to DOONEY, girl. This is your fault. So, if you all enjoyed this video, please give me a big thumbs up. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to your girl. I love you all, and I will talk to y'all later. Bye-bye.